Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss some questions of exercise 11.4. So, all of you see question number 5. In question number 5, there is a square of side 30 meter. The side of a square is of 30 meter, and inside this square a path which is of 1 meter wide is to be constructed. So the path will be drawn inside like this, and it is of 1 meter width all around inside the square. So it is 1 meter, again it is 1 meter, similarly it is also 1 meter, and it is also 1 meter. Now you have to, in first question you have to calculate the area of path. So let's solve it. Name it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So you can see this shaded portion is the path. So when we will calculate the area of ABCD and calculate the area of EFGH and then subtract both of them, we can get the area of path. So we have side of a square ABCD, so we can easily calculate the area of ABCD. But for calculating the area of EFGH, we have to first of all find the side. So the side of EFGH will be, this width is of 1 meter, again this is of 1 meter. So we will subtract 2 from 30. So it will become 28. So area of ABCD will be 30 meter into 30 meter. So it will become 900 meter a square. So area of ABCD will become 900 meter a square. Now area of EFGH. Area of EFGH will be 30 minus 2, that is 28. So area of EFGH will be 28 meter into 28 meter. When you will multiply, you will get 784 meter square. Now area of this path can be calculated by subtracting area of ABCD and area of EFGH. So we will write area of path. We will write area of path. Area of path is equal to area of ABCD minus area of EFGH is equal to 900 meter a square minus 784 meter square. You will get 126 meter a square. So area of path will be 126 meter a square. Now the second question of question number 5 is, you have to plant grass in the remaining portion. So the shaded portion is of path and the remaining portion is of the area which is to be planted with grass. So you have to find out the cost of planting grass when the rate is Rs 40 per meter square. So area of EFGH was 784 meter square. So cost of planting grass will be Rs 40 into 784. So when you will multiply, then you will get 784 and 40 you will multiply. 4 4 ja 16, 8 4 ja 32 and 1 33, 7 4 ja 28, 29, 30, 31. So answer will be 31360. It is in Rs. Now in question number 7, there is a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth is 60 meter, and in this rectangular field two roads are running parallel to each side. So this is the first road which is running parallel to the length, and this is the second road which is running parallel to the breadth, and both are crossing each other perpendicularly and are in the middle of the rectangular field. So we can draw this figure like this. Name it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, L, M, N, O. Now the first question is you have to find out the area covered by these two routes. So first of all, see, we can calculate the area of LMNO because we know the length of MO, that is 90 meter, and we know the breadth. Breadth is 3 meter. It has written that the road is 3 meter wide. So we can calculate the area of LMNO. Area of LMNO will be 90 meter into 3 meter. 90 meter into 3 meter, that is 270 meter square. Similarly, area of EFGH will be, it is also of 3 meter width. So area of EFGH will be 60 meter into 3 meter. So it will become 180 meter square. Now you can see that this portion which I am showing has come twice. So you have to subtract its area. As you can see, it is a shape of a square. So let's name it as X, Y, Z, R. So we will subtract its area from the area of both the, we will first of all we will add the area of both the roads and then we will subtract this area. So area of X, Y, Z, R. Area of X, Y, Z, R. As it is in the shape of a square, so its area will be 3 meter into 3 meter, that is 9 meter square. That is 9 meter square. So first of all we will add the area of EFGH with area of LMNO, and then we will subtract the area of XYZR to calculate the area of road. So area of road will be, area of road will be 270 meter square plus 180 meter square minus 9 meter square. It will come out to be 441 meter square. Similarly, the cost of constructing 1 meter square is Rs 110. So the cost of constructing 441 meter square will be 441 into Rs 110. It will come out to be 48,510 rupees.